Skin cycling, the 2025 glow-up routine everyone's talking about. Welcome back to the podcast, where we turn beauty and health trends into your next-level lifestyle. Today's topic is one of 2025's biggest buzzwords in skincare, skin cycling. This isn't just another fad. It's a science-backed routine that's going viral for a reason. Whether you're a skincare junkie or a minimalist looking for real results, this one's for you. Skin cycling is a 4-night skincare routine that rotates between active ingredients and recovery. Instead of applying every powerful serum all at once, which often leads to irritation, skin cycling lets your skin breathe and repair. It's all about timing. Dermatologists are calling it the secret to long-term skin health, and TikTok's skincare community has turned it into a movement. Let's break it down. Night 1 is exfoliation. You use a chemical exfoliant. Think AHAs like glycolic acid or BHAs like salicylic acid to slough off dead skin cells and prep your face for the heavy hitters that come next. But here's the key. You're not scrubbing your skin raw. You're setting the stage, allowing your skin to better absorb the ingredients that follow. It's like resetting your canvas. Users report brighter, smoother skin after just a couple of weeks. Night 2 is retinoid night. Retinoids are the gold standard for anti-aging. They speed up cell turnover and help fade dark spots, fine lines, and acne. But used daily, they can irritate even the most resilient skin. So on this night, you apply your retinoid of choice, followed by a hydrating moisturizer. Retinoid night is when the magic happens. Long-term improvements in skin texture, elasticity, and clarity. But because it's only once every 4 nights, your skin has time to adapt and thrive without the irritation. Nights 3 and 4 are recovery nights. No actives, just hydration and barrier repair. You focus on products with ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. Think of it as your skin's vacation. This part is what makes the cycle sustainable. It prevents over-exfoliation and allows your skin to heal, rebalance, and strengthen its natural defenses. This is where long-term glow is built. And then, you repeat the cycle, 4 nights on rotation. It's simple, it's effective, and most importantly, it's customizable. You can adapt the actives to your skin type, stronger acids for oily skin, gentler options for sensitive types. You can also lengthen recovery to 3 nights if your skin needs more downtime. The routine adapts with you. What's more, this cycle-based approach is expanding beyond skincare. In 2025, experts are applying the same logic to hair care and fitness. Think scalp cycling, with active ingredients like salicylic acid, followed by moisturizing masks. Or fitness cycling, alternating strength training with mobility and recovery days. The concept is simple. Push, recover, repeat. It's a rhythm your body understands. As we see more people ditching 10-step routines for smarter, more strategic habits, skin cycling is proving that consistency beats complexity. Fewer products, smarter usage, better skin. And in a world overwhelmed by skincare choices, that's a trend we can get behind. Stay tuned, because next week, we'll be diving into the top gut health trends of 2025. And spoiler alert, fermented skincare might be your next obsession. Until then, cycle smart and glow on.